faster than anything's ever been ramped up before in history.
Tesla's speed in making cars is amazing. They keep breaking their own records quickly. Their car lines are very optimized. Elon Musk said Tesla could build a Model Y in 5 seconds.
I think it'll be able to produce a car ultimately in less than 5 seconds. Like, can you imagine a car coming off the line in less than 5 seconds? That's like, whoa.
It moves like lightning. You cannot get close to the line. You will wonder what happened. A new car rolled out so fast. How did Tesla build this system? This is the new production technology from Elon Musk. It totally changes car making rules. Competitors will need over 10 years to match it. Let's look closely now. You will stare in shock. This is the fastest production of any complex product ever. Think about the 4.5 second speed. An espresso machine takes 30 to 60 seconds to make coffee. While you wait, 6 Teslas are finished. These cars are expected to be the Tesla Model 2. This is Tesla's cheapest car yet. It should launch early next year. Production volume might double the Model Y. The price is guessed to be between $20,000 and $30,000. The cost to make it is probably around $20,000. This affordable model will sell very fast. We usually think about design and features in a new car. Have you ever asked where and how cars are built? You probably don't care normally, but with a car made in 4.5 seconds, you must wonder, does this speed hurt the quality? This is a budget car, so the speed makes people doubt it. Tesla has 5 main car factories globally. Gigafactory Berlin builds the Model Y for Europe. Gigafactory Shanghai makes the Model 3 and Model Y for Asia. It has the highest output now. The Fremont factory in the US makes all models. Giga Nevada makes the Tesla semi-truck. This large truck is hard to build. Tesla still hopes to make 50,000 units yearly. Gigafactory Texas in Austin is key today. It makes the Cybertruck and Cybercab now. It will be the main hub for the new Model 2. The Model 2 is set to launch next year. You see few people working near the line at Giga Texas. Robots, huge Giga casting machines, and systems do most work. These machines run themselves all day. The Giga Texas line looks like a high-tech toy factory. Cars roll out like Matchbox cars, but bigger. The speed is so extreme it looks like a sci-fi movie. But it is all real. You see how fast Tesla builds a car, everywhere inside. What part of the line is most important for a sub-5 second Model 2? The body panels and frame are the answer. This is the hardest and slowest part of assembly. Tesla used big stamping presses before. They pressed metal sheets into shape. That old way is now gone. The new line has ended stamping. Tesla uses a truly new machine. Many call it the most powerful part of Tesla's system. This is the Giga Press. Elon Musk called it a large-scale Matchbox car maker. The Giga Press changes what the car industry can be. Elon Musk had the idea. Why not cast a huge car section in one go, instead of joining many small metal parts? The result is a huge machine. It is a big high-pressure die casting machine. It can press with up to 50,000 tons of force. This is enough to form the whole Model 2 rear underbody in 3 seconds. The Giga Press is truly new. It breaks old car making rules. Before, the Model E rear body used about 70 parts. It needed hundreds of welds and complex robots. Using a 6,000-ton Giga Press for the Model Y rear saved up to 40% on costs. It swapped about 70 parts with 2 large castings and a battery pack. Tesla wants even more saving for the new car. The new car will be small, even smaller than Model 3. It will have very short front and rear ends. It will have almost no normal trunk. This makes it perfect for a single-piece rear underbody casting. The 6,000-ton press for Model Y is not strong enough. It can only do the rear section. That is why Tesla moved to an even bigger Giga Press. This one can cast the entire car frame in one go. This next-gen Giga Press can cast 5 complete frames in one cycle. The Giga Press replaces the whole frame with one large aluminum casting. This removes over 400 welds. The whole assembly line becomes much simpler. The old way was a tangle of metal, robots, and wasted energy. Steel or aluminum had to be stamped, then welded or bolted. That process was slow, used much energy, needed many workers, and cost much to keep going. The Giga Press cuts out all that. It replaces many steps with one casting action. The good things are more than just speed. Tesla says this saves about 40% on the Model 2 rear frame cost. Elon Musk removed about 450 robots from the line. This counts both front and rear parts. Fewer robots mean fewer breakdowns. It means less repairs and lower costs. At Giga Texas, casting happens very fast. Hot aluminum is poured into the mold. It is pressed into shape in about 2 seconds. Robots take it out right away. It cools in a 50-degree-Celsius water bath. Then it goes right onto the assembly line. No waiting, no wasted steps. Large aluminum castings also make the car lighter. Batteries are already heavy in electric cars. Saving weight means better driving, longer range, and better feel. Fewer joints also make a stronger structure. Casting a frame in 5 seconds is a huge time saver. Stamping and welding took several minutes. This is why Tesla thinks it can roll out one car every 33 seconds. The Giga Press may cut labor costs by about 20% after casting. The line looks like a careful mechanical dance. Long robotic arms move fast and precisely. They lift, join, paint, and finish each car quickly. The Model Y body moves through stations. Each robot does its job. The car shape comes together fast and neatly. Then the body moves to the paint shop. Everything starts with high accuracy. A primer coat is put on first. This protects the body and helps the paint stick. It is sanded to be very smooth. Then the car goes through painting, dipping, and drying. Many layers of color and a clear coat are added. Some colors are harder than others. White is the simplest color. It needs fewer layers. It is easier to control. It should be the cheapest color for Model 2. Red is much harder. It needs extra layers and metallic bits for depth. This makes it more complex and costly. After the paint is dry and polished, the body moves for the inside work. Inside panels are put in. Electronics are hooked up. Glass is fitted. The chassis and motors are being built at the same time. This is the core of the car. This happens very fast on a separate line. The process starts with the structural battery pack. This is not a normal battery. It is a strong unit that helps hold the car up. The battery pack goes right in the middle of the Model 2 bottom frame. It acts as the car's spine. 2 large castings, front and rear, are also Giga Press made. They are put on each end of the battery pack. The entire lower car body is made in just a few steps. This replaces many steps in old car making. Electric motors are put onto these castings right after. 1 motor is in front, 1 in back. They give power to all 4 wheels. The suspension system is also put on the castings. This is important for comfort and stability. Brakes and wheels follow. The car's bottom frame is now complete. It can even move on its own. It looks like a large skateboard. It is small, light, and ready for the last step. In the final step, a floor carpet is put on the battery pack. This is the car's center base. Interior parts are then put in. This shapes the cabin. All 4 seats are bolted straight onto the battery. This finishes the bottom of the car. This all happens almost instantly on the line. Many robotic arms work fast and with great care. The most important step is next. It is joining the finished body and the bottom part. This is called the marriage. This needs perfect lineup. The 2 big parts are lined up. They are secured with strong bolts. The bolts go around the battery pack and castings. After joining, the car is one strong, safe structure. The car then goes into final check and quality control. Engineers check every system. They look at mechanical, electrical, and software. They check for even tiny errors. Only after passing all checks can the car leave the factory. This is how the Giga Texas line works. A finished car can roll out every 4.5 seconds. The whole process is amazing. Tesla is where it is because of Giga Texas. This factory is built for speed, automation, and a new way to build cars. We also have some leaked facts about the new car. You may or may not like them. This car is made for simple daily driving. It has fewer features than the Model Y. Sources say the Model 2 will be a small city hatchback. It has a new design. It looks very minimal. The front is clean and small. Headlights are sharper and higher. This makes it look modern and young. Tesla is dropping the full-width light bar. It will use a simpler headlight setup. This is like the old Model 3. It puts light efficiency and airflow first. The body is expected to use the next Giga casting tech. This greatly lowers the number of parts. This makes the car look cleaner. It also lowers costs. It makes the structure stronger and safer. The Model 2 will still have 4 doors. Tesla has made the hinges and door openings better. This helps use the car easily in cities. The inside is very minimal too. The Model 2 strips out most Model Y luxury items. Seats are fabric, not fake leather. No heated seats, no colored lights, no fancy sound system. Windows are single pane, not acoustic glass. The glass roof is gone. This will surely let down some buyers. They are used to Tesla's current luxury, even with cuts. The Model 2 keeps Tesla's tech focused. The car will still have the full self-driving hardware. This includes cameras and the needed computer. This strongly hints Tesla will use the Model 2 in its future robot taxi system. This is once laws and tech are ready. Unofficial sources said the basic Model 2 range will be 300 miles. This is with a battery of just over 50 kilowatt hours. That figure seems high, but it makes sense because the car is light. It has very good airflow. It uses Tesla's next-gen battery tech. Tesla may also sell a long-range version. This is for drivers who need more distance. It will cost more, but still be a good price. The Model 2 is more than just Tesla's cheapest car. It is an answer to rivals like BYD in China. It shows a change in Elon Musk's plan. Tesla is not just focusing on expensive cars. It is now entering the truly cheap electric car market. But remember, this information is based on leaks. Tesla or Elon Musk has not confirmed it. The info is about 60% reliable. We must wait until next year to know for sure. If these leaks are true, the Model 2 could change the global electric car market. It would pressure rivals. It would force the industry to face a big question. Are electric cars for everyone? With the Model 2, Tesla seems to say yes. That ends this. What do you think about this car? What about Tesla's crazy fast production system? Tell us your ideas below. Thank you for watching.